guys, I'm sharing my cooking with you today. It's not a cooking video. I'm just sharing what I am doing at the moment. This is just something quick. This is something quick I'm doing right here, guys. Today I will be eating some cornmeal dumpling with some saltfish with okra. But as you can see, I have already started and it's almost finished. I'm showing you my meal of the day. So I'm gonna add my okra now. I have some sweet pepper to add, but I prefer to add that one last as I don't like when the sweet pepper is cooked too much. So this is my meal of the day. Since I've been here, it's the first I'm preparing this meal, and we are talking about 4 years, going to 5 years, and it's my first time preparing this meal. Even though I wanted some real ground provision to eat with that, but we don't have such. Not saying I can't get it. Yes, I can get it, but I thought I would get some today because it can't be stored. They are easily spoiled. There is my dumpling, some real cornmeal dumpling me I telling about, and them in a pot there. Real cornmeal dumpling. Me never get no banana, me never get no plantain. I don't like the pumpkin here. I see pumpkin, but I don't like the pumpkin here because the pumpkin here I don't like the way it is eaten, so I don't buy it. Not even to cook soup, I don't use it. So I'm a real cornmeal dumpling them over there, so with Irish potato, and over here so I'm a saltfish. I'm not gonna add my sweet pepper to this now. I already add everything in this one I want. Black pepper, everything. So this now, I'm going to add this to that. I don't like when the sweet pepper cook too soft. That's why I am just adding it. But my food is fit to the people. Some real food, and them food that you call real food. Comment if you don't agree with me, people. Comment. Out there, so may I blend some green juice, cause people, Pepsi baby me. All who know me know say Charm was a Pepsi baby, a Pepsi and a Coca-Cola baby. I don't do those things anymore. If I am not making my own drinking, I don't drink. I only drink water. So I am doing some blending to have something to drink because I run out of drinkings. Yes, peeps. My lovely peeps, Charm run out of drinking, so I'm gonna take you to the blender shortly. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna take you there, guys. I'm taking you right there. So you know see how me thing look, people. Tell me how you wanna think about me meal. My meal is. Tell me what you think about it. Yes, this is how I love my sweet pepper. I don't like it to cook. So I'm turning that one off now. Yes. So I'm gonna take you guys to the blender now. I started, but I'm not yet finished. So I cover this here, let that stay there. So guys, here I am behind the blender. I am blending some celery with cucumber and lettuce avec ginger, and I will add some lime after. So this is celery, cucumber, lettuce and ginger. So this is it, guys. This is the last round. This is what I drink now. No more sodas. I buy nothing like juice or drink outside on the road. I don't do those stuff anymore. Because as you see, I am getting overweight. So I am trying to do better and stay healthy. The healthy way is the right way, guys. So I am now trying to discipline myself going the healthy way, even though it is hard to do something that you're not accustomed to do, but practice becomes perfect. Yes, practice becomes perfect. So guys, when I finish mixing this, when I finish juicing this, I will not add sugar. I will just keep it in the fridge like this, and whenever I want it to drink, I just add a little honey to flavor it, and then that's it. I don't use the sugar. Not saying that I don't use sugar. I will not say I don't use sugar. Yes, I do, but only when it is necessary. I will only take a little sugar, like in my coffee, because I don't like the taste of the coffee with the honey. So I will just do a little sugar, just like just 1 teaspoon in my coffee, not much. These are the things I drink now. I no longer do sodas. I no longer do, not even the natural juices out on the road. I no longer do them. I do my own. Like when I do this blending now, I don't know, maybe it lasts me 2 days, maybe. Whenever time this is done, I break 1 week and take just water, and then after that 1 week, so I do juice every other week. Water 1 week and this the other week. That's how I do it now, because water is essential to the body as well. So yes guys, this is it. So guys, that's my finished product. That's the meal of the day. Cornmeal dumpling, Irish potato, saltfish with okra, or okra, whichever way you want to call it. I eat this, I present to Uno with my drink, celery, cucumber, and lettuce with ginger and lime. So guys, if you like this video, leave me a comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So guys, I will see you in my next video.